Hello, everybody. So, today we'll be reading with you a story named Two Bold Uncles Showed Into the Beat. This is a short story made by Angie Gomez, that is me. So, let's get started. Right, I will zoom this a little bit so we can read this better. Right, it says May Sparkle looked at the peculiar blade in her hands and felt happy. She walked over to the window and reflected on her chilly surroundings. She always loved magical Skegness with its harsh, homely hills. It was a place that encouraged her tendency to feel happy. Then she saw something in the distance, or rather someone. It was the figure of Such Butterscotch. Such was a loving volcano with slimy legs and wide eyes. May gulped. He glanced at her own reflection. She was a lovable, brave wine drinker with red legs and handsome eyes. Her friends saw her as a late, loopy lover. Once she had even helped an oily kitten cross the road. But not even a lovable person who had once helped an oily kitten cross the road was prepared for what Satch had in store today. The clouds danced like talking foxes, making May shocked. As May stepped outside and Satch came closer, she could see the light smile on his face. Satch glared with all the wrath of 1819 generous outrageous oaths. He said in hushed tones, "I hate you and I want revenge." May looked back, even more shocked, and still fingering the peculiar blade. "Satch, let's move in together," she replied. They looked at each other with anxious feelings, like two great gentle goldfish dancing at a very delightful wedding, which has classical music playing in the background, and two bold ankles showed into the beat. May studied such slimy legs and wide eyes. Eventually, she took a deep breath. "I'm sorry," began May in apologetic tones, "but I don't feel the same way and I never will. I just don't hate you, Satch." Looked lonely. His emotions rose like a rebel gnashing right rogue. May could actually hear such emotion shatter into 5,702 pieces. Then the loving volcano hurried away into the distance. Not even a glass of wine could calm May's nerves tonight. I really hope that you have enjoyed this story, guys. See you soon.